So, I'm on a trip with my mom. Say hi, Mom.
Hi.
Hi, Mom. So we're at Moraine Lake, and I really wanted her to see this place because it's beautiful. But at the same time, I was a little terrified because Moraine Lake is very, 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 very touristy. It is so busy this time of year. In fact, it is almost impossible to get this iconic shot without another human being in the frame. Oh geez, don't fall to your death in front of your mom. Awkward. But we managed to just walk like 1.5 kilometers down the lake. Your mom can do it, my mom can do it. Nice mellow trail, and look, we found a spot where there's no people. Success. Sometimes in life, you just need your mom. So yeah, would recommend. As soon as you get off the shuttle bus, if you're not doing like a crazy gnarly hike, just start walking across the lake. Not across the lake, but by the side of the lake. And yeah, you will find yourself tourist free.